Hey, I'm Michelle with Shell Creative. If you are ready to get your Searchie Hub up today and start making money tomorrow, take a second, hit subscribe, and click that bell. That way, you'll be notified when another one of our helpful videos comes out. How many times have you come across something you need, but you get so frustrated trying to figure out which model you should get? I ran across that when I was trying to purchase my new iPhone. So, yeah, iPhones, coffee makers, cars, headphones, even my little speaker here. When I was trying to figure out which one to buy, I was at quite a loss. If you're looking at Searchie and are thinking, I'm a professional business owner who basically needs a hub. So, what do I do? I'm here with your decoder ring on this one. Today, we'll be discussing the difference between Searchie Basic, Pro, and Business Level so you can get the right Searchie plan for your business. So here we are on the Searchie.io pricing page to check out the different options for Searchie. And the first thing I want to mention to you is that you can try out Searchie. If you don't have an account yet, you can try out Searchie for 7 days absolutely free. And if you do that, I'd love it if you would consider using my affiliate link, which I will include in the description in this YouTube video below. So that's the first thing I want to mention is if you want to give it a whirl and see all the endless possibilities and power of Searchie and how you might be able to harness it, try a free trial. Okay, so here are the three different plans. We've got a basic plan, a pro plan, and a business plan. And there is different pricing between the monthly and the annual. You get a discount for selecting the annual plan and paying up front. And it highlights here the difference between those. So normally it's $99 a month for pro, but you get that discount of marked to 83 per month billed annually. And then $199 a month for business, marked down to $166 per month billed annually. Okay, so the basic plan, who is the basic plan good for? It's really a great plan to get you started with Searchie. Actually, when I first started with Searchie, I was on the basic plan because I kind of wanted to give it a whirl, see what it was all about, and see if this would be a really great fit for my business. So I actually started on the business plan, excuse me, basic plan. And one of the things that they did last year, which was really great, is they added one hub to the basic plan. So now I didn't have that when I started. Now you even have the opportunity to check out what having a hub does for you, which means you can have a course, a membership, a coaching platform. You could do a simple sales page in there. But that's just one hub. Okay. You get 5 hours of content. You get all the hub templates. You can get audience segmenting even, which is really nice. So for example, if you want to have your course members see different things based on different purchases, maybe if they have purchased one module of a course, for example, and you don't want them to see 2 through 5 until they've purchased it, you use audience segmentation to do something like that. So then what does the pro plan do for you? The pro plan is really good for those people, who have multiple offers. So for example, if you have a membership and a course or courses even, I tell people often that having things in different hubs can really help keep things simple and clean and easy. And if those items are at different prices, and or you have different offers for them, a lot of times keeping them in separate hubs makes things easier. If you have something that's just a one-off sale, then a lot of times, again, it's easier to keep that separate. Like maybe you offer the course one time and then you have your ongoing membership. Keeping those in separate hubs can be much easier. So now, can it all be done in one hub? Yes, but it can get kind of complicated and kind of tricky with the audience segmentation and making sure that all of your pricing is set up right. So what the Pro plan does for you is it offers 3 hubs. So you can have a membership hub, a course hub. You can even have a sales or a landing page or something like that that could lead to each of those things or to one of those things, to really help you grow your business. You get more hours of content. If you are a high producer of content, you get 15 hours versus 5. And here you also get the downloadable transcriptions, which a lot of people find nice to make for their users, because they can, print out your lesson or your module or a Q&A, and they can highlight things that they want to note. It makes it really easy to adapt to various different learning styles. And the last thing to mention is that you can also remove the Searchie branding. Although, to be honest with you, I don't know why you would want to, but this is a preference thing. For anybody who clicks on that Searchie icon from inside of your account, from a video that you might put out, then you get 30% of that recurring revenue on the life of their account. So just something to keep in mind before you remove that branding. But I know some of my clients don't like that, and it does make it easy to do that here with the Pro plan. Now, business is all about scaling and or exploring the endless possibilities of Searchie. So basically, it's unlimited everything. It's everything that's in the Pro plan. You get unlimited hubs, unlimited hours. You get access to fancy things like webhooks, which all a webhook is it's just a language that helps 2 applications talk to each other. So, for example, if you want Searchie and ConvertKit to talk to each other, and ConvertKit is your email marketing provider, then you can have those 2 talk. A webhook is just the language that sends information back and forth between those 2, so that you can pass information like an audience was added to your hub. So now add them to ConvertKit so you can send them an email. So that's what webhooks are. Those are just released actually recently. So that is a new feature. You get advanced tracking. And for those of you who want to get fancy and do really neat things inside of your hub with design, it also offers the custom CSS. Now, one thing to note, it's January 2023 that the AI was recently announced as a feature inside of your hub. It takes your content and it makes suggestions for titles and short and long descriptions and takeaways and that sort of a thing. It's an amazing, powerful tool. Right now, the AI is available across all plans, but it may not be that way. And in fact, I would probably guarantee that it's not going to be that way forever. So take advantage of that now with whatever plan that you're on. But just know that that will likely change, and the AI would probably be available at these higher levels. So this is the difference between basic, pro, and business. I hope this helped you to sort of figure out which might be the easiest way for you to go for your business today. Do know that if tomorrow, you decide to make a change, it's easy to upgrade to a higher level. It's also easy to downgrade to a lower level if you need to. And if you start off on something and decide, okay, my membership is running great now, it's time for me to add a course, easy to do by adding, upgrading to the Pro plan. So, or if you're like, oh my gosh, I have, 5 amazing courses I want to offer, business is right where you want to go and get started. It's there for you. And perhaps making some of that affiliate income by sharing the power of Searchie with some of your friends will help you to offset some of those costs. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that this little tour of the pricing plans is super helpful to help you start making money tomorrow and harness the power and endless possibilities of Searchie.